Hey Dylan, how you doing? My name is Leo from Arona Marketing. I spoke with Susan today, and I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing some tips and tricks you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. So as you see here, I've got your website pulled up. I love the header up here and the logo, really cool. And going through your site, man, the pictures look really good. I love the American spirit, the pride. I love it. Um, but if I was to critique one thing on here, you got a decent amount of content also. But if I was to critique one thing on here, I would definitely say that you want to um, include more content. Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout the content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for. And a keyword is the service that you provide and the location that you provide that service. Now, another thing that you can also do with those keywords is make sure that you are saving them behind photos because photos and videos count as keywords as well. Another thing would be to have your more ways to convert up here at the top, like a place where they can have a quote or chat with the agent or send an email. I like how you got your click to call right here. That's a really good idea to have up top, and that's definitely on par for what you need to be doing. Now, what I've done, Dylan, is I put your website in a tool called Ahrefs. And what this tool is going to do is give me your analytics and where you're sitting with Google. Okay, so this is your UR and your DR right here. This is the strength and the trust that your website has with Google as of right now. And you've got 33 backlinks and 20 referring domains. And if you're unfamiliar with a backlink is simply one domain that refers to another domain via clickable button or text. They're not all created equal, as you have some backlinks that's more spammy and then some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and that's relevant to the industry and that's local to you. Now you do have 47 keywords, and I've already checked these out. You have some pretty decent keywords in here. The problem is you don't have enough content to go along with these keywords. Roofer, Clarksville, Tennessee, that is the service you provide and the location you provide it in. And it's a really easy keyword to rank for. These are also out of 100, and the volume is 250. So there's 250 people searching this word every month and 250 for these. So just these two, they look exactly the same, roofers and roofing. But they're actually different. So with these two alone, you should be getting a good portion of the 500 search volume a month. Now, the way I found you was Roofers, Clarksville, Tennessee. Up top is normally the Google guaranteed, and then you find the map pack here. The map pack is where you really want to be. This is where 30 to 40% of your traffic should come from. And look at you right up here at the top. That is amazing. You're right up here at the top where you need to be. So I'm sure that you're getting the reviews. Looks like you got really great reviews. You got your citations. Also make sure that you're geotagging and geolocating your photos every week and make sure that you're posting as well, because Google really likes to see that you're active. And again, make sure that you're saving these as keywords as well. Geotagging them, geolocating them goes a long way. Now, under the maps, you have your organics, and that's where 60 to 70% of your business is going to be coming from. So Jackson Roofing, Clarksville, they're the #1 company organic in your area. And as you can tell, just like your website, you know, they are needing to add a little bit more content, but you actually have more content than these guys. So it would be your backlinks, your keywords, because you got to have X amount of words for X amount of keywords. Google sends their bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites. And when the bots crawl these sites, they kind of let us know what the site is about. You know, the bots don't have eyes, but they'll start pinging the words in the website roofing, remodeling, roofing, things like that, gutters. So the bots are going to start saying, okay, well, this website has roofing and remodeling, just like yours right here, roofing, repair, replace, roof repair. So you're on par. You just don't have enough content in here with the keywords embedded in there. Again, this is the #1 company organically, so you can see these guys are very easily beatable. These are the guys you want to go after. So if you can make sure that your website are ticking all the right boxes and doing more than this company, then you're going to roll over and take their spot. And that would be great to be able to have you #1 organic and #1 in the maps. You would absolutely kill it. Now, we don't count the Better Business Bureau, the Yelp, Angie. These are all ads, things like that. So these will be the #1 spot. And this is the spot that you would like to take over. Now, I pulled up some more keywords for your area. And again, you do have a lot of these. But with the keyword difficulty of 2, you should be able to rank your website within a few months and overtake that organic spot. And then, Dylan, you and your company are setting #1 in maps and organic, and that's a great way to go. You can tell here that there's definitely good volume that you can capture here in your area. So taking advantage of these, adding the backlinks and things to your website will really help you get in there and overtake the competition. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Again, you can take these tips and tricks and apply it in-house and do it yourself. And I promise you, you will start seeing results. But if you need any help or you got any questions, comments, or concerns, I can be that resource for you. Just reach out to me and give me a call, or you can respond to the email. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. My phone number is 270-841-3600, and my email will be where I'm sending this video to. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to hear some feedback from you, Dylan. Have a great day.